Hello again, folks. We are back in Ngata Estate to present a 3-bedroom bungalow which is on the market for sale. Last time out, I was here in Gata. I presented a 4-bedroom mansionette. And as of the time I'm speaking, it has actually been booked. Now, there is nothing that makes me glad than hearing that a product that I presented on this very channel has actually been sold. Whether it is a business I was promoting, I always feel glad when I get that feedback telling me, you know what, Ezra, customers have called, customers have reached out, you know, tumeuza, or even some of these homes zimestoka kwa soko. All right, so I'm standing right here on the entry porch, and the home sits on a 50 by 100 parcel of land right here in Gata. Perimeter wall and electric fence on top of it. The electric fence fixture or the control area, I'll show you, you know, it's just inside there. And then, of course, on the front yard still, we have got the cabro paved driveway and parking. And we also have a garden, freshly planted right there. So maybe by the time you come to live here, you'll have a beautiful place to relax on your gazebo pale nje. Sindio? Very nice. So from the very spot that I am, we are just like 100 meters to the Nakuru Eldoret Highway. In fact, from right here, I can hear those sounds of traffic. Kwa umbali tu, manake the highway is not that far from here. So looking at the facade here, I would say it is beautiful. You know, it gives that contemporary finish, you know, the feel. And then through this double volume door, if I can call it that way, I just stepped inside the lounge. It is very spacious. Okay, the lounge here. On that side, the marble sheet on the wall, iko pale with fluted panels, you know, behind it. Your TV will go that side. Your couches, maybe, you know, you just decide how to arrange, you know, in this spacious living room, the dining area on that end. But maybe before we leave here, you know, looking above, you know, you have got that gypsum, you know, simply with a simple pattern, okay, gypsum. But the central light here, the down light, okay, you can actually shift from warm to cool light to a brighter light, you know, just as you please. And of course, you have got the recessed in lighting on the gypsum pale, just 4 of them, you know, not ile cluttering the gypsum na lights, no, just 4 of them, really easy. Then on this end, I appreciate them adding these shelves here. So maybe you can do your library, or maybe you can add some decorations here, you know, such kind of things. And then, of course, you can add those glass, okay, windows pale. So meaning, hata ukikaa hapa, you know, it gives you a clear view of whatever is inside pale ndani. All right, so tukikuja hivi straight away, tuko na this open dining area and a beautiful downlight again, as you can see. They did some wainscoting on some walls here. This one on the dining area and one side of the wall on the lounge pale. So the dining area hapa, it comfortably fits an 8-seat dining table right here. And of course, the wash basin iko pale namna hiyo. And I love this. I think it is a soap dish or something ambayo imewekwa hapa. Yeah, so you just press, inatoa, ina dispense, and then unanawa mkono. Okay, I think it's a beautiful feature. So the kitchen opens to that side. When you are in the lounge, you can't see whatever is going on there. But ukiwa hapa, you have a clear view of things in the kitchen right here. So there we have it, with ample cabinetries, ample worktop, you know, more drawers, you know, right here. And we have a double sink on that end. And of course, this door opens to the backyard, which I believe we can go there later. We have a store outside there, and the underground water tank, which is 20,000 liters, you know, we'll go there, and you also have a look at it as well. All right, so this side, we have 2 bedrooms on one wing, and then the master bedroom on the other wing. So right at the center here is where you have what you call the common washroom, and it is a bath and a toilet. Then right here, we have got one of the bedrooms. This is the one I will call the smaller one. Okay, so we start with okay, it's big actually, so we call it big, then we go to the bigger one, and then the biggest, of course. The primary bedroom is quite huge. You'll get to see it. So this one is a 14 feet by a 10 feet room. And with just a decent amount of, wardrobes right here. It has got ample I mean, much natural light from that end. So we come this other side to check the other bedroom. Like I told you guys, you know, looking at the floor, you can see it is not that neat, but like I told you guys, this home is like 97% complete. The only thing remaining is just cleaning, intensive cleaning, and then that's it. So by the time you come, I believe it will be sparkling clean. Sindio? All right, so this is the other bedroom. So this one measures 14 feet by 11 feet. All right, and this one can take 2 beds, let's say 4x6, or even 2 5x6 beds. They can fit in this bedroom. So if you're a big family, then I believe you know, this 3-bedroom will fit you guys. Sometimes it's not, you know, sometimes you don't have to buy a big home, you know, especially for some of us who are raising families, because eventually 10, 20 years down the line, the kids leave you, and then you are stuck there in a 5-bedroom home alone. You never enter even some other bedrooms, you know. So if you think along those lines, and maybe, you know, budget is not an issue, well, this 7.5 million home should fit your needs. All right, so a lot of natural light again from this end. So the other bedroom receives sunrises, and then this bedroom here for sunsets, you know, it has got those views. So there is the ensuite. This one is ensuite, but the other one is, you know, it shares the bath with the common toilet right there. So nimeenda the other side, but maybe before we check out the primary bedroom, this is what I was telling you. You know, this is the electric fence energizer. I mean, as it is written. So this is the control, whatever, of the electric fence. Ukiwasha tu hapo usiku, bas, that thing is on. Now, welcome to the primary bedroom. It is really huge. Okay, so massive. This one I didn't take the measurements, but it is really a massive space. So bring your king bed, the biggest king bed you can find. The headboard will go that side. Occasionally, you can always shift, you know, how you want to sleep. Let me just tell you guys, there's a time I was looking for a home for another Somali lady, and we went to so many homes, apartments, that is. We went to so many apartments, and we could not find an apartment that has a bedroom spacious enough for her bed. So she went further to show me her bed. I am telling you guys, I saw that bed and I was like, wait a minute, looks like mimi sijui kulala. Okay, if I don't know if you guys get it. Yani ni kama mimi ndo sina mahali pa kulala pazuri. The bed inatoka wall to wall. So this kind of bedroom now, for that lady, ita fit bed yake perfect. You know, I just realized that some of you guys mkona beds huge. So I believe, you know, those wardrobes are enough for 2 residents, you know, for this bedroom. And there's another, some shelves here, maybe a shoe rack. You know, I'm looking at it that way. Sindio? But if you don't make it a shoe rack, then I believe you can also find another function for it. So the ensuite here is right there, nicely partitioned with the aluminium glass and whatever. And the toilet, of course, is right there on the front. So it's a dry toilet, which is beautiful. Something that Sheriff Holcomb loves. And yeah, so overhead still, nice gypsum. Wall lamp there is a good addition. Exactly. And of course, massive window on this end again. They have got proper views of their compound wakiwa hapa ndani. Okay, so mpaka hapo tumemaliza hii nyumba. It is, you know, it's simple and practical, functional. Kila mahali, like I told you, just around 97% complete. Ukikuja hapa, well, utapata, I believe tomorrow, the other day, watakuwa wamemaliza hii kazi. So, yeah, on the market for 7.5 million Kenya shillings. Folks, 7.5. This, I would say, is falls in the affordable range of bungalows, contemporary bungalows for that matter. Okay? 7.5 million Kenya shillings. Na mimi nakupatia hii nyumba, unaishi happily ever after. Now, the community itself, you know, where it is, I told you it's a gated community. So from where I'm standing right here on the entry porch, this side, I see a mansionette. Next, there's another mansionette. There's another mansionette kule. There's a bungalow there. Then opposite, there's another gated community. There's a bungalow there with bungalows, another bungalow, and then a mansionette on the other end. So the company around you as well, you know, si ati ni ya watu ambao hawajielewi. So if you are looking to live in such kind of a neighborhood, mahali watu wanajielewa, kuja hapa. Ndio hii nyumba hapa mimi nimewatafutia. Alright, so mpaka hapo 0791055678. Just give me a call. Kuja uone nyumba 7.5 million Kenya shillings and maybe you can slightly negotiate. But usinegotiate sana, ndio nipate hiyo commission. Sawa sawa?